Hello everyone. So today I have my Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of March, which I'm super excited to get into and see what I got. If you hear some noises in the background, it's my 3-year-old playing outside, so I'm sorry about that. But I am just ready to get on in here and see what's inside. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the Boxyluxe March edition, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you aren't familiar with Boxycharm or Boxyluxe, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. Boxyluxe is a quarterly subscription service. They both are from the same brand, Boxycharm, Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe is just a more expensive, more product box. So you do get way more products in the Boxyluxe box than you do in your regular Boxycharm, which is $21 a month. Boxyluxe is $49.99 a month. Super excited to crack on in here and see what's inside. So let's just go ahead and open it on up. So the theme this month is, I don't even know how to say this, La Vie en Rose, maybe I'm saying that right. But it's super cute. The flowers in the picture, super cute. It has all the product and the value on the back. So I'm just going ahead and grabbing the first thing on top, which looks like a makeup bag. So this is what the bag looks like. This is actually really cute. I'm like really digging this like rose gold bag. Oh, and it says Boxycharm on the inside. That's cool. This is really cute. I actually really like this. And it's kind of that like, I don't know, like fake leathery kind of feel-ish, if you know what I mean, but it feels nice. It looks cute. I'm digging it. So it's a Boxycharm train case and it is $20. This is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. That's interesting, an eyebrow cushion. It says it retails for $40. That's a lot of money for a little eyebrow cushion. It's a 2-shade liquid brow compact that allows for fuller looking brows with half of the effort. I have never used a cushion brow before. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a cute rose gold color again. You have a mirror on the inside and then it comes with this brush. So you got your eyebrow brush on the one side and then this like teeny tiny little spoolie on the other. That's kind of cute, but it folds in half to fit right in there. And then you have the actual cushion right here. And this is what it looks like. So you got a lighter brown and then a darker brown right there. So this is definitely an interesting product. Again, I don't know if I will get use out of it, but it's interesting. The next thing I'm gonna pull out of my box, which I'm really excited for, and I'm really hoping that I got a good color, but this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and I got in the shade Mocha. That shade could be really cute. It does retail for $24. So this is what the bullet looks like. I just think it's super pretty. Very sleek. It feels really heavy. This is what the color looks like. Ooh, okay, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this color. That's what it looks like. Super pretty. It has a warm undertone to it, but I really like it. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I've never tried any of Becca's lipsticks before, so, oh, that went on like, it's like magnetic. Wow, I like that. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna grab out of here, these are Lily lashes. They are in the style Gaia? I have no idea how to say that. It's G-A-I-A. Gaia. I have no idea. But this is what they look like. They're super cute. They're very fluttery and flirty, I feel like. They're really pretty. I've never owned a pair of Lily lashes either, so that's pretty exciting. And they do retail for $24.99. They are an exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes. They are limited edition as well. It says that they are cruelty-free and they should give you up to 20 wears. So that's pretty awesome. I do think that these look super cute. I'm actually really excited for these. I don't wear lashes a lot. Typically I only wear them for filming, for tutorials and looks and things like that. I don't wear them out and about on my daily life. I'm much too lazy for that. But these are super pretty. So I'm actually really excited to put these in my little collection of lashes. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. I've had a little sample of this in the past and I actually really did like it. So I'm pretty excited that this is in here. My skin is super, super dry, so I could use all the hydration I could get, and this works wonders, I would say. And it does retail for $48, which is way more than I would ever spend. I think that's why I only ever got the little sample travel size of one of these, because $48 for a moisturizer is insane to me. It's expensive, but it's good. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. It says that this retails for $34. It says that it is supposed to replenish dull skin, excess oil and impurities are drawn out. It says it minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores, and it's supposed to peel off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I like peel off masks. I just think that they're really fun. I have the Glam Glow peel off one and I really like that. So I'm mostly just excited that it peels off and it's not one that washes off. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the, what is this? Okay, so these are two little nail polishes. I'm guessing the brand is Deborah Lippmann, I think is what it's called. And I got the shades Modern Love and Oh Donna. These shades are actually right up my alley. I love like a mauvey, purpley kind of nail polish, even though I'm wearing blue right now. But I do love these kinds of colors, and this one's really pretty. It has like gold and pink shimmers throughout it, so that is cute. They don't look like a normal like full-size nail polish. They look pretty small. It says that it's supposed to give you the effect of gel polish without the damage. That's pretty awesome. It does retail for $20, so little duo right here. So I'm not mad at these. I think they're adorable. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out, these are the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. You got a powder brush and a soft glow brush. Assuming one's for powder and then one is for highlight. So these are what the brushes look like. The packaging on them is really cute. It's like a shiny metal pink, really cute. The bristles on here are really, really soft. It'd be a good bronzer brush. And then this is supposed to be the highlight brush. I don't know how I feel about this for highlight. It's very big. I feel like blush maybe would be better. I don't know. There you go. Got two brushes. These do retail for $29.99. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and mine is in the shade Light Medium. Oh, this is really pretty. I like this. This is really, really pretty. You got a contour, a blush, a highlight, a finishing powder, a brightener, and then another highlight shade. This is gorgeous. I'm actually like really excited. I just want to touch this highlight and see how it looks. Ooh, that's pretty. That's actually really pretty. It's just a very pretty kind of goldy, champagne-y kind of color. I'm actually really excited for this, and it does retail for, it retails for $45. I'll have to use this in a video soon and let you guys know how I like it because this is gorgeous. Okay, the last thing in my box, this is the Morphe 15N Night Master palette. So it's just one of their hard case palettes, and this is what it looks like. You got some purples and neutrals on in there. I love the fact that it has this ginormous mirror, which is awesome. As far as the palette itself, if I'm being super honest, I don't see myself reaching for this like ever. It's just not my cup of tea. It's not the shades that I would typically go for. I'm not a huge purple eyeshadow wearer. The neutrals are nice and some of these gold shimmery shades are pretty. This color is actually really pretty looking in the pan, but I just feel like I'm not going to use it. If I'm not inspired by it and it doesn't like get me motivated to do makeup, I'm probably not going to use it. So I think I'm actually going to throw this in a giveaway for one of you guys. I'll throw it in my little box of giveaway items that I have over there. So keep an eye out for a future giveaway. I will throw this in there. And the Morphe palette, it retails for $16. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and add up everything that I got in my box just to see what the retail value is. So my box retailed for $301.98, which I think is a steal considering I only paid 50 bucks for it. I got all this stuff for only $50. Retail for over $300. I'm happy. I honestly really like everything that I got this month besides the Morphe palette. It's just not the colors that I'm into, but seriously, everything else I'm like really excited to use. I guess the other one thing that I'm not like super wowed about is the iconic eyebrow cushion. So that is everything. What did you guys think about this month's Boxyluxe? Are you subscribed to them? And what did you receive? I want to know down in the comments below. Did you get anything different from me? I know sometimes they do some different varieties and things like that. So I'd love to know if you got the same things or something else. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.